No one anticipated this news. Apple, together with Samsung, has announced a groundbreaking alliance to produce chips using technology that has never been seen before. This announcement was made as a part of Apple's new $100 billion US manufacturing initiative. In fact, it's Apple that has issued a press release disclosing that it is collaborating with Samsung's factory located in Austin, Texas. These to launch, as per Apple's own words, a new and innovative chip-making technology that has never been utilized anywhere in the world before. We are not being sensationalist here. We are quoting Apple's very own words. According to this company, this facility is set to supply chips that will enhance the power and performance of Apple products, including iPhone devices that are shipped globally. Even though Apple did not provide highly specific details, the leaker known as Ice Universe, along with various other insiders from the industry, are suggesting that these chips are in fact CMOS image sensors. Next generation glass for the iPhone. Therefore, instead of discussing a processor, we will be focusing on an advanced chip designed specifically for the camera. Should this be confirmed, it would mark a historic shift, with Samsung stepping in as a camera sensor supplier for Apple. This would break the long-standing super close partnership that Apple and Sony have maintained for years on this crucial component. This significant announcement took place during an event held in the Oval Office at the White House. During this event, Tim Cook had the opportunity to present President Donald Trump with a special and unique piece of glass that was crafted in Kentucky. Also engraved and beautifully mounted on a base made of 24-karat gold, crafted in Utah to commemorate this special occasion. And this announcement of the new program, so we will have to wait. The outcomes of this collaboration. Should it evolve into a chip partnership regarding the processor, it would be quite intriguing that Apple opted for Samsung instead of its primary collaborator, TSMC. To unveil this technology in the US, especially as TSMC plans to increase its US investment to $167 billion of American dollars. However, it's likely that this collaboration with Samsung will mainly concentrate on the camera. Meanwhile, Apple is expected to keep working with TSMC for its chip development. For the moment, please share your thoughts in the comments about this partnership between these two companies that often appear to be competitors. Their fans engage in fierce battles, yet it seems they can also work together. Do you believe we'll see Samsung cameras featured in future iPhones?